Hello to all of you lovely people out there. Welcome back to my channel, Octaviadmason. And today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new Canon G7X Mark II camera. So let's get started. So I have the Canon G7X Mark II, and I got this camera from Best Buy. And the reason I got this camera was because I wanted to start off with, well, continue with my photography and to get a better camera for YouTube. And I've been using my iPhone 8 Plus as of recent, and so I have this bad baby right here. I got it today from Best Buy. I've been holding it upside down this entire time. I got it today from Best Buy. So let's get it started. Wrong way. All right. And so I heard many great things about this camera that is good for if you're starting off with YouTube. The photography skills are good. And so I'll tell you two reasons why I really am glad I got this phone. This camera. Here are the instructions and something else. I don't know what this is. But the first reason is that this camera has Wi-Fi capability. So if you have a camera, if you have a video or you have a photo, you flick on the little Wi-Fi tab, and then it connects to the Canon app on your phone whenever you download it. And so once it's there, you can save it to your photos, I'm assuming, and then you just upload it to, let's say, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. You think you got a pop-in photo and you want to add that on over to Instagram. So that's the first reason, is the Wi-Fi capability. The second one, let's see. Here's the little string right here for the holding on to your wrist. And I'm assuming this is the battery thingy-majig and the actual battery, I assume. So the second reason why I actually got this camera is because it has, inside the camera has stable immobilization feature. So, you know, for if you're panning a camera or something, you're panning your camera on, let's say, a video in the woods, or you want to pan over someone walking, but the camera's shaky because you shaking and stuff like that. And so you have to make sure you're really careful, or you have to get a tripod that's, you know, can help with that, or some other equipment, or do it online or something like that with an app. But actually with this G7X camera, you can go and you can change how much stabilization you want within the camera. So you have like the basic mode, the medium mode, and then the straight hard on stabilization in the camera itself. So yeah, those are the two reasons why I actually got the cameras, because of the Wi-Fi capability, which is gonna be super amazing, and the stable immobilization. So that's gonna be like a lifesaver. But time for the moment comes in this little thingy right here. Let's see. I like it. I like it a lot. Also, it's a very tiny camera. Not tiny. It's like, here is my hand. It's like the size of my palm. And so it's a really beautiful camera. And one of the things that I love about it is that it's gonna be just as good as, let's say, it's gonna be just as good as a DSLR, I believe, in my opinion anyway. But let's do this. And it lives. Oh my gosh. And so it's a touch screen. It flips over, so it's gonna be great for vlogging and all that jazz. For YouTube, when I post a video, I can see myself, you know, see all this goodness as I record myself. So that's gonna be amazing. Let's see. Look at that. That's nice. Let's see. Here's a little bit of the back right there. And where is the Wi-Fi thingy-majig? Somewhere along here. Yes, here is that Wi-Fi right there. And so let's see, let's turn it on. I guess I could look at the instructions, but I'm not gonna right now. Maybe the battery's dead. Thinking the battery's dead. Yes, this is it. This is the camera, the G7X. So I'm super thrilled with it. Super excited for it, to use it, and It's gonna be very accessible for me. It's gonna be great for YouTubing, for vlogging, for photography, because I love photography. And so yeah, I'm excited for it. And I'll more than likely post a video saying what I think of it maybe some months or so later. Definitely gonna enjoy using it, excited to use it. So yeah, this is my unboxing for the Canon G7X Mark II camera. Short but sweet and to the point. You guys have a lovely day.